Integrating CyberScout login is a straightforward process that enhances security and provides identity protection to users. To begin, understand that CyberScout is a comprehensive identity management platform that offers advanced security features to safeguard user identities. First, navigate to the CyberScout website and click on the Login button to initiate the integration process. You will be prompted to enter your username and password, which are typically provided by your organization or created during the initial setup. Next, review the terms and conditions of the CyberScout service, ensuring you understand the data protection policies and security protocols in place. It is essential to recognize the importance of safeguarding personal and sensitive information. Upon successfully logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard, where you can access various tools and features designed to protect your identity. These include credit monitoring, dark web scans, and alerts for suspicious activity. To maximize the benefits of CyberScout, it is crucial to set up additional security measures, such as two-factor authentication and password management. These features add an extra layer of protection, making it more difficult for unauthorized users to access your account. Best practices for integrating CyberScout login include regularly updating your password, enabling alerts for potential security breaches, and monitoring your credit report for any discrepancies. By following these guidelines, you can significantly reduce the risk of identity theft and ensure your personal information remains secure. In conclusion, integrating CyberScout login is a simple and effective way to enhance your online security and protect your identity. By understanding the key concepts and following the step-by-step guide outlined in this tutorial, you can take advantage of the advanced security features offered by CyberScout and enjoy peace of mind in today's digital landscape.